Charlotte Tilbury has finally come out with her new eyeshadow sticks that make it so easy to do your eyeshadow in literally 30 seconds. And I have them here. She did send me a bunch to try, so thank you so much to Charlotte Tilbury. And so let's go ahead and dive in because I am super excited to show you exactly how these shadow sticks work. So these are the new Exagger Eyes Easy Eyeshadow Sticks from Charlotte Tilbury. And with these shadow sticks, you are actually getting 30 years of Charlotte Tilbury's artistry expertise in actually 30 seconds. Now, to do the shadow is 30 seconds, but when you want to do, a bit more, of course, it's going to take a few more moments, but essentially just to do your shadow, it will take 30 seconds. It is that quick and easy. So I already went ahead and filmed this look, and I'll insert some clips so you guys can see just how easy it is. But these do come in two formulations. There is the Satin Glow formulation, and then there are the Matte Blur sticks. So I wanted to swatch some of these out for you. So the first one we have here is called Chestnut Sculpt. Then we have Astral Topaz. Then Cocoa Cherry Sculpt. Bronze Garnet. Oyster Delight. Desert Sculpt. And then on top I did Astral Topaz again. Now here we have some of the lighter shades. The first one is Satin Diamonds. Then Nude Sculpt. Then we have Cashmere Sculpt, and then we have Ballet Quartz. Now, some of these will make a great eyeshadow base. For example, for a nude tone eyeshadow, I would definitely use Nude Sculpt as an eyeshadow base because it is very matte, and for a deeper eyeshadow look you can definitely reach into one of the deeper shades that are matte and use that as an eyeshadow base because these are transfer proof, waterproof, and they are truly, they are sort of hard to remove because they are so budge proof. So you will need makeup remover or micellar water most likely to remove these because they truly will not budge on you. Sticks. Now what you can do is you can actually mix them up. Personally for me, I like to use the satin shimmery shades on the lid space or on the front portion of the eye, and then the matte shades I like to use on the outer portion of the eye. But Charlotte actually has 6 easy eye looks that she came up with using these shadow sticks, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly go through those. So she has the Pretty and Fresh look, which she recommends using the Satin Diamonds eyeshadow stick. It is sort of this shimmery champagne shade, and she recommends just sweeping that all over your lid. Then she has the Dreamy Eye, which is one half of the eye would be a satiny shade and the other half would be a deeper shade. Then there's the Spotlight Eye, and so for that you would just put the shimmer in the center portion of the eye and the matte shades and the deeper shades on the outer and the inner portion of the eye, and save the center of the eye for that shimmery shade. And then she has the Feline Flick, which is what I'm actually wearing today, which is the shimmery shade Amber Haze, and then it is Desert Sculpt for the outer portion of the eye in a lifted motion. And then she has the 90s Supermodel Eye. Who does not love that? Which is essentially a shimmery shade all over the lid and then a deeper shade all into the crease area. And then there is the Smoky Till Eye Dye look, which is just a deep shade all over the lid and smoked out. Now you can blend these out with your finger or with a brush. For the look that I did today, and I generally always do use my Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow brush, which just blends the shadows like a dream. No matter what shadow you use, you can use it for cream or powder shadows, and it just blends them so easily and effortlessly into your eyes. The bristles are so soft and the handle feels so good in your hand. So these do last, so you can actually wear them on their own, or you can layer them under shadows or over shadows, and it's just going to make your shadow last longer. If you want to put a powder shadow on top or underneath, it's just going to make your shadows maybe more intense, or it's going to make them last longer as well. But these on their own, the Exagger Eyes eye pencil will last on their own as well because these are super long lasting. They are crease proof, and if you have hooded eyes, these are an absolute dream because they will stay put and won't transfer all over your eyes. Now, something that I really like doing is wearing these shadow sticks, and I just like to pop some bronzer into my crease area. Because I have super hooded eyes, I really feel like I need something in the crease area just to kind of bring everything together and kind of disguise my hooding. So I do love to pop a powder bronzer on top and then For that, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury shapewear brush, which is so amazing. I mean, one side you can actually use for eyeshadow. I love to, but you can also take it down your nose and sculpt and contour your nose as well with this brush. So this brush is so good. One side is actually more angled, so you can really contour and then use the fluffy side to buff out, or you could just use the fluffy side to buff out your eyeshadows. You can do a bunch with this. You can also use it on your face, so to contour, even though it's very small, you can use it to contour your cheekbones. So love doing that. Also just kind of taking the bronzer under the nose. It just kind of shortens your nose a bit and gives it that button nose look. That is a Charlotte Tilbury kind of hack. I didn't realize this, but I learned this at my Charlotte Tilbury master class that I went to. But she actually originally started out with MAC back in the day, and then she wound up having so many celebrity clients, and then she went off and of course created Charlotte Tilbury. So out of all the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow sticks though, I have to say the one that I personally love the most is this one here called Satin Diamonds. Now this is so gorgeous. It really brightens your eyes, and it is more of a shimmery shade, but you can just pop it into your tear duct or wear it on the front portion of my lid, because again, I have very hooded eyes. But if you don't have hooded eyes, you could really take it up much higher. But personally, as someone with hooded eyes, I don't like to put shimmer into the hooding. But otherwise, these are such a dream. And then I do also, for the matte shades, I love this one. This one is called Chestnut Sculpt. So these are the two that I'm wearing in today's video, and this one is just so gorgeous. And you can, you know, layer these. You can do daytime looks or bump them up very easily. Just add more product and take them into nighttime looks. But I hope you could see there how it just made it a little bit more dramatic by adding some more product. So of course, the more product that you use, the more dramatic of an eye you're going to get. So you can go in and do a quick layer, and then of course you could go ahead and layer more and more on, and it'll become more intense. So it's up to you what kind of look that you'd like to make, but you could definitely make a lot of different looks with these shadow sticks. And just to briefly quickly mention, but Charlotte Tilbury also has this dual-ended eyeliner, which I did use for today's look, which has one side a black liner and then one side is this gorgeous shimmery shade, which you can just pop into your tear duct. You could also run this on your lid as well, but of course you can use it as a traditional liner. And it's so rich and so intense, and it doesn't budge, it does not irritate your eyes. So this is such a dream. But just wanted to show you quickly what I used for today's look, which again was the shadow sticks, this dual-ended liner, and the Charlotte Tilbury mascara, which is such a good one too as well. Very volumizing, very lengthening and thickening. And so now this, I believe I showed you this in a previous video, but I showed it to you when I first got it. This is a more New Makeup 2026. This is new from Patrick Starr, One Size Beauty. Now, many people think that this is a setting spray, which essentially it is, but this is a final step setting spray. They call this the liquid blotting paper spray. So this is actually supposed to be like blotting paper in a spray. And what this does is it actually takes away the shine from your face. So this is great for touch-ups. This is great for if you don't want to look too shiny, you would spray this on. It is completely weightless, has no scent. It feels like airy and again, weightless on the skin. So it feels like you have nothing on. It's actually very cooling though, and it feels really good when you apply it to your skin. I just want to show you, although I do have it on already, but I'll just spray some more. But if you have very oily skin, or if you don't like the shine, this is definitely the way to go, because instead of putting, say, more powder on your face, with this, you don't have to do that. So you won't wind up looking cakey by putting more and more powder on. You can just use this spray it on your face, and it will take away the shine without having to add more makeup products or more powder, which is essentially what many of us had to do before. You would have to keep putting powder on throughout the day. At least I would, as someone who is very oily, very shiny. I would have to keep putting more powder on, which sometimes you don't want that look. You don't want to look too glam or too made up, or you know, you just don't want to put more powder on, because again, it can become cakey looking. But with this spray, it is like blotting paper in a cake. So you can spray this, takes away the shine. You're not putting additional makeup on your face, so your face just stays very fresh, very effortless looking. It doesn't turn cakey, and this is just such a dream. I've been using it daily because it is so good. And then a lot of people are saying makeup artists that have brides love this to use for their bride, so they can keep the bride shine free, keep having their pictures come out beautiful all day without having to add add more and more product, more and more powder. So you would just spray this on when you're shiny, if you're not a makeup artist or don't have clients, you know, just for yourself. Spray this on, especially if you live in a super humid, hot climate. And, you know, I live in New York. It's just getting very humid, very hot. So your makeup starts melting. And go ahead and just spray this on. It's going to take away the shine. It's going to keep you looking fresh, effortless, again, without having to keep adding powder on your face though. So how amazing is that? And this is just a little travel size that I have, but they do have the bigger size. But this is so great because you can just pop it in your makeup bag on the go, take it with you on your travels, super easy, or just throw it in your purse even. It's so easy. It fits into anything because they do have this smaller size. But you might still want to use setting spray. Personally, I do still use setting spray, and then you want to go in with this as like a final step. Those are just some new makeup 2026 products that I could not wait to come and share with you because they are that good. I'm so excited about them, so I couldn't wait to come and share them with you. But I will be back staying here in New York City. And so I've been going to the stores, and so the other day I was at Bergdorf's and I actually got some new skincare that I cannot wait to share with you. It is that good. It's actually from, I believe it's called Biologique. And so I got some cleansers. They gave me so many samples. I got a toner, which is so amazing. It's the P50, I believe it's called. Oh my gosh, it's a cult favorite. I've heard about it originally from Melanie Simon. She is the creator of the Zip Halo. And so I have been loving my Zip Halo. It is such a game changer. I've been using it every day, and it truly transforms your skin in 6 minutes. So it's so fast. You could literally do it, you know, as part of your, say, morning or nighttime skincare routine. I like to use it in the morning though, because it really makes your skin so that you feel more confident about yourself throughout the day. So I love using it, and it's, you know, wireless. So you could walk around and do it. You know, I'm taking care of the dogs and using it on my face. It's that easy. But I was watching a lot of her videos here on YouTube, and she was talking about this skincare brand, Biologique. And then I also was watching Penn Smith Skincare, and she is another one who was speaking about Biologique. So once I saw it at Bergdorf's, I was so excited. So I wound up getting the P50 and the cleanser. I was not expecting it, but I could not believe the results in my skin already just in one time using it. So I'm so excited. I'm going to go back because I did get a gift card. But the manager at Biologique, Claudia, she gave me so many samples. There's a mask that everybody loves, so I didn't get a chance to use that yet, but I'm going to use that tonight, hopefully, if I have time. Otherwise, I will use it soon, because I definitely, if it's that good, I'm going to get that with my gift card. But so I'm going to go back, but I'm so happy that I found out about this line again from Penn and Melanie, because it is really that good, you guys. It is, of course, a bit pricey, but I do have a gift card, so hopefully I'll be able to head back into the store. You know, I was hoping to go today, but I'm not going to have time today, but hopefully maybe tomorrow. There's also a new Chanel fragrance called Paris that I'm very excited to try out. They only have that in the Chanel boutique, so I'm going to have to go over to the boutique. But everything is right in this neighborhood where I'm at, so you know, I can easily go to Bergdorf's and Chanel and to the Chanel boutique and try the Chanel 50 perfume. So I'm so excited to do that. So I'll be back and show you my skincare haul, but let me know how you beauties are doing. Let me know if you've tried these new shadow sticks from Charlotte Tilbury. Have you tried the Patrick Star One Size Instant Blotting Paper Spray? Let me know down below. So that's pretty much it though. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you beauties very soon.